Hey everyone, good morning. It's Monday here at Waterloo Wraps, and I've got this brand new 2021 Tesla Model 3 right behind me. And it's coming in for a little bit different job today. Today we are going in with this Gyeon Leather Shield Q2. And as you could probably guess, this is ceramic coating for your leather surface. And these Teslas, as you probably already know as well, come with white leather most of the time. So that means that they are prone to a lot of staining from your blue jeans, dogs getting in and out, just any kind of staining really, because it's white leather. And so going in today, like I said, with this Gyeon Leather Shield Q2 coating, gonna get them protected. Now, the difference with this and other ceramic coatings is this is a textile, so this is not as permanent as what you would put on the outside of the car. But this will add a nice layer of protection. So we're gonna go in, get this guy protected. I'll put you guys on a time lapse and we'll get this install going today. All right, everyone, so that was the installation process of the Gyeon Leather Shield Q2 ceramic coating. As you can see, we went in with the thorough cleaning, vacuuming, two-step leather cleaning process, decontaminating the leather, getting in all the seams, everything, getting all the gunk out. And then, of course, the application process of the coating itself. And as you can see, it left the leather just like it was whenever he bought it brand new from Tesla. Nice, bright white leather, very, very soft. And it will not leave a glossy finish or a matte finish or anything like that. It's going to feel real natural. It does not leave your leather feeling different, basically, just because you have a ceramic coating on it. And so this is a product I'd really like to push on you guys that are watching because of how great it is. A lot of cars today, it's very rare that cars come with cloth seats. Most people have leather in their cars. Even my 20-year-old 4Runner has leather in it. And these things need to be protected. We're in and out of it every day. Blue jeans, spilling stuff on it if you pick up food and you're eating in the car or whatever. This is a great product to add in, just a peace of mind, just kind of like an insurance plan essentially, especially if you have a newer vehicle. This is a great product to just add in, and we can get this kind of stuff done for a pretty respectable rate. So definitely give us a holler. Waterloo Wraps on Instagram, Facebook, waterloowraps.com on the web. You can hit me up. All the contact information's there, guys. Just let me know what you got. Send some pictures over. I'd be happy to work with you. Thanks.